The question is this: how do I turn on the talking about section that I see on some LinkedIn members' profiles? Show you what I'm talking about. If I go look at Teddy Burriss here, which is my professional profile right here, my personal profile, it says I'm talking about LinkedIn Sales Navigator, et cetera, et cetera. How do you turn that on? Let me show you how to do that. Go to your profile. I'm using my friend's account on her computer. Go to your profile. Scroll down here to resources. Under resources, you should see creator mode. If you click in creator mode, then it says, follow will be the primary action, get access to tools, your featured content will post will be shown, show topics you post about, and a custom link on your bio. So click on, it's talking about this right here. It talks about link in bio, show followers, and follow is the first button there. So now hit next. Now, choose what you want to talk about. You can have up to 5 topics: labor, science, adventure, marketing, management. That sounds fine for me for this test. And then you hit turn on. Now follow the LinkedIn creators page for tips. I can view that page, which is not a bad idea to pay attention to it, or just go to my profile. And now on my profile, you'll see that the number of followers I have, and you will see that this profile talks about those talking points. And furthermore, you'll see under creator mode, you can see that you can get to LinkedIn Live, audio events, newsletters, and the follow link. And the follow link, by the way, let me go back to that and show that to you. If I edit my profile here, scroll down to the bottom, there's a custom button. So edit the custom button. Custom button will appear at the top of your profile. Give it a link. I'm going to give it a link right here. And I'm going to say my mentor. And hit save. And hit save. And not now. And get rid of that. And then there's the magic button. The follow button or the connect button or send them somewhere button to go look at something. This is all about using creator mode. Bottom line, it's all a function of creator mode. Turn that on and you get these features up here. Turn that off. Turn off creator mode. Turn it off and it all goes away. Again, you can turn it back on by going down here and turning it on again. By the way, if you are going to turn on creator mode, I urge you to think this way. Be a creator. Create content. Maybe consider a newsletter. Consider doing LinkedIn Lives. Consider doing LinkedIn audio events, etc., etc. You don't just turn on creator mode to show the followers here and to show what you talk about. Start talking about stuff. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn Sales Navigator dude. I hope this is helpful for you.